at you.
God.
Yes. Look at the sexy leg.
Oh wait. Right.
Where's Ashley? Ashley, sexy move, Ashley. Marry me. Where's Andy?
It's all about
You can have Andy.
Andy.
Look out the window. We're going to Prague. We're going to be making heroes. No, we're not. Where are we going?
I'm going to Nuremberg.
We're going to Nuremberg. To Nuremberg.
Prague. I've just been to Prague.
I love us. No, it was horrid.
Last night was fun. Handcuffs.
He shoved the gummy bears up her thing. And you forgot the handcuffs.
Sorry.
How could you? I bought the whip.
No, not the whip.
And the strawberries and the ice cream. Strawberries and ice cream make a sexual sensation.
You put the ice cream melted. Let's use a yogurt at breakfast this morning.
Yeah. And we saw a horse with a fifth
Look at Dane's
leg.
manky sandwich. Fish and egg.
Yummy. Look at the driver. Look at the driver. He's a miserable colour. Oh, what's going on? It's a green spaceship. No. We're on a coach. On a coach. To where?
Nuremberg.
Nuremberg. There's people watching TV. But they're lazy brothers. And we're dancing. Because we am. This is Katie.
Hi.
Katie said hi.
Katie says hi.
So does I.
He's tired.
It was me. Now what?
Oh, driver.
My fault.
Driver.
Did you see him?
She can't wave.
Was he sexy?
All these drivers are boring. None of them wave.
I don't know. So, me and Katie, we're friends for 2 days.
Two-ish.
2-ish.
Sort of.
Wait, was it yesterday we started talking?
Day before. We started properly talking yesterday night.
We're
Not showing
like
up
best
kind of
friends now. We talk about piercings below. And then
Get your weight.
miserable bugger. So, how are you today, Katie?
Tired.
That's what I like.
You're a bit. Tomato soup.
Smoke.
I just said tomato.
Tomato? I like tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes?
No. It's kind of watery and horrible.
Do you like it? Smell nice?
I think it's gone cold.
I have loads of recording time. It's been going for 3 minutes now.
Just talking about crap.
Yep. There is my shoe. I don't particularly like it, but it's my own shoe that's probably real. Oh, a sexy shoe. I mean, I want to marry that. Picture of hell. Look at that Converse. There's some trees over there. You can see them. Yeah, a lot. Katie's mouth. Mouth. Sexy mouth. There's people sleeping. He seems to. Can you see that woman? She's an umbrella. We broke it. No! Look at the M&M's. Sexy, aren't they? Would you like an M&M? Would you like one? Let's see how it is, Katie. There's Stella balls in it. I'll try. What's up there? Camera. sandwich. You can see it. Oh, it's not. Look up Katie's nose.
You know what she did?
What?
Drugs.
Drugs?
Yes.
What did you say? Drugs or?
Stuff like this, yeah. And put like you said on YouTube.
What? You've lost me. Make drugs?
Yeah.
I know, I'm confused. What is she going on about?
Drugs. No, people probably thought we were on some last night now.
Oh, that was sexy. That last night was sexy. We went to a restaurant. We saw a horse with a 5th leg. 5 legs. And it had a dick.
Oh. I don't even know where I pulled this out from. It was down there.
And Katie wouldn't touch it. I touched it. It was a statue of a horse, not a real horse.
It was a real horse, she's lying.
Yeah. I am totally into bestiality. Look at that sexy horse. Yeah, it smelled like fish a little while ago. We've decided Ashley Purdy was here. With his slat. Or thing. Do they taste nice? Does it taste nice?
I know it's onion ring.
Does it taste fishy?
No, it tastes like, you know when you have crisps open too long and they go really dry?
Yeah. Wave.
Yeah, it
Oh, we're
is.
waving it. Yep. Oh,
Is
just
that-
chuck it over there.
I'm in the back.
Yes, he waved!
Is it?
You waved!
Yeah.
Wave. You wave. We are on a mission to make people wave, aren't we, Katie?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Is that the only one that's done it so far?
all the others were miserable cunts. Pardon my French, please. Now there is a map as to where we're going. Sexy, isn't it?
We're in Czechoslovakia.
We're in the Czech Republic apparently.
Are we still in Czechoslovakia?
No, we left. I think. No, we left Prague.
I think we're still in Czechoslovakia. We're not
Yeah.
in Germany yet.
How old do we look?
Lauren Marinsky.
What the fuck? I understood that. I speak perfect Czech Republic.
I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it.
I might even see Paul in a little while. He's our tour guide. He goes on about Berlin Wall all the time. We're not even on this trip list. Matt. And Rose is ours. Katie finds it annoying.
These.
You'll find it annoying. That's right there, standing up behind a big head. Cool. You can't see him very well.
We need Jimbo over here so we can record it.
Yes, Jimbo tried to buy me a cat for his daughter. It was a teddy.
Jimbo gives me free drinks.
And me. And me. Next thing you know, we won't be able to hear half of this because I covered up that mic there.
Probably. Did you plan?
Oh, sexy language. Cool tour guide.
Does it tell you how far you're over here?
We haven't even got our seatbelts on.
I know.
Look at the seatbelt. Look at it. Look at it. It's not on. Putting your seatbelt on, you're spoiled. Look at our seatbelt. It's very sexy. Oh yes. Oh yes. Touch the seatbelt. Now what? Well, we're going to Nuremberg in Germany. And Germany is a sexy place. Though it was full of Nazis once upon a time.
So,
What? We'll be there soon.
Getting closer. Like an hour and a half.
Hooray, hooray.
Yeah,
For holiday. I don't even know.
Yellow lorry.
What?
Yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red
Found
lorry,
it
yellow lorry,
already.
red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Oh, for God's sake.
Horse collecting money.
Oh,
There's one of them signs again.
I don't even know.
There's one of them weird signs with the bird like.
I'm a bird. I wonder if this camera's fading. It probably is fading quite considerably. Subsequently, Katie has a big stretcher in.
Yes. She does. Look, she can take it out.
Wait, what does subsequently mean?
I don't know.
Neither do I. Oh dear, would you like to see my stretcher after? Because my stretcher's real.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, look at her, she's a fake.
That's
Poser.
fake.
Fake.
So is she.
See, look at that. I just took that out of my ear. It's not fake at all. See, look, Katie will film me putting it in. Yes. Because Katie can.